specimen's idea of pride.
That's what I'm trying to find out.
I have honor to introduce Dr. Wu Cheng Moon. He's the father of Plum Blossom. Plum Blossom?
And who is Plum Blossom?
Yes, who is Plum Blossom? This is Plum Blossom. Little Chinese Cinderella. Little Sari will turn her into Little Chinese Tramp.
What's that?
So he take Plum Blossom's right patty and bring back Plum Tart.
Is this true, Ethan?
Oh, it was just the old oakley curiosity, yeah.
Ethan was just showing his wild oats.
Oh, so sorry. No sowing wild oats in China. Sowing wild rice. Honestly, ain't no good. Pretty soon, by and by, along come Orange Blossom. Under the circumstances, I just don't see how I could marry Miss Harcourt.
Nonsense, Evelyn. All these people want is money.
All money, all money. See here, chaps, I'll give you £1,000 to clear out.
Pound for what?
Oh, that's money, $5,000.
We'll take it.
Do not insult us with other of Chinese money. I'll make it. Rich man cannot buy Chinese honor. I'll make it 5,000.
Chinese on a soul.
No, Evelyn, don't pay him. No amount of money can settle this great wrong. You, sir.
Oh, he was made to speak for me. Oh, yes. Yes. Close coming here. Marvelous idea. Oh, I hope I accept the Chinese on the
What
set.
about the $5,000?
Congratulations, old boy. You're getting quite a girl. Why not? Leave the gentleman right wrong done from Russell. Join the club, kiddo. Join the club? Oh. I say, you confound it, Miss Plum Blossom. You know, you marry me.
How about you never ask, really?
You tell the captain for me that he runs a very loose ship, okay?
My boss.
Billy, what are you doing here?
How was your trip?
That was terrible. I lost my glasses. I've been blind for 5 days.
So I've heard.
What about the amalgamation?
Oh, you didn't want to get involved in that. I just flew in to tell you that I landed 2 new accounts. The Oakley Affairs and the Harcourt accounts. As a matter of fact, this is Miss Harcourt. Miss Harcourt, I'd like you to meet Elijah J. Whitney. You know, Wall Street.
Did you say Wall Street? Mr. Whitney!
May I tempt you with the drink?
The liquor has never touched my lips.
Oh, you know a shortcut?
Now that there are going to be 2 weddings, may I offer you the courtesy of the ship for the return voyage on your honeymoon. You may join Dr. Moon, whom I must unfortunately turn over to the authorities.
But Captain, we just received a telegram from Washington. You read it aloud.
Moon-face Martin, not wanted, entirely harmless.
Let me see that! I've never been so insulted all my life. He ain't an American, that's what it is.
Well, Reno, shall we practice misbehaving?